Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for stopping by. Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a great one. Anyways, on Friday, you remember this wire was going between them, so I pulled that back out and fixed it. So that looks a little bit better. I didn't quite pull those tight yet out the hallway, but it's not too bad. And then over here, you remember this looked really bad. It's still slightly bad, but it was like all the way over to here at an angle, so I pulled that back a little bit and got that looking a little bit better. This wasn't really stapled down at all on Friday, and I got everything I could done in here, got everything made up, stapled down. This turned out pretty well right here for the most part. Nice and straight. This is probably my best box yet for the 3 gangs with this situation. Granted that the sheathing is a little bit long coming into the box, but they all look like they're ending at the same spot and they're all nice and straight and tucked it very far in the back. So anyways, with that being said, I finished this room up that was not done on Friday. Yeah, it's that cold. That's my breath. All right, so about 30 degrees here today. I don't know if it warmed up. I haven't checked yet, but the only thing not done is the smoke detector jumper wire. We don't have any 14.3. I think we just got some, so I'll do that tomorrow or something. But going from this box into, where is it? This box right here, and then the 3-way wire between here and the front door over there. So that'll make a 3-way switch. Everything else is done. And then I'll show you the next room that I was working on today. Try to explain a little bit of the circuitry there for you. So finished these rooms. So I went to the next room on the left. So what we got, I got all the plugs done. Some of the home runs done, as you can see here. The kitchen, the microwave, living room plugs, bedroom plugs. So I got the wires all put in the boxes here. Didn't want to make that one up. Anyways, I forgot this one in the closet right there. Or the pantry, I forgot about the pantry, so I had to run another power wire out of there into there. So anyways, got all the bedrooms done for the circuits, for the bedroom circuits, living room circuit. So I'm gonna try to explain here a little bit how circuits work. Maybe I'll do another video later, but for the basic part, you have your home run, which means home run stands for the power wire going back to the panel. So for in this room, actually, it's one of these wires here. So one of those is going to go out the hole right there. There's a hole right there. So they're all going to tie together in a junction box above the door. So that'll go back to the panel eventually, but you have your home run wire, which is just your power wire that powers up the whole circuit. So you got this wire, connects to that wire, and basically all the plugs just tie together or whatever. So you got power wire in, power wire out, and then that goes over to this plug, and then you go in and out, and then it's going from there to there. It's going in and out, and that's going up and over, and then down, and that's going in, out to the left, and then out to the right to pick up that plug. And then it's going in and out, and then that last one by itself, since it's not going anywhere, that just ends. And then same with the other ones. The home run's coming in here, and then it's going out to there, and then it's going into the bedroom. It's going over here, it's going over there, and then it's going to there. But also from that one right there, it's jumping up and over to pick up this last one right here, because I didn't feel like coming from that one over to here, so I just put 3 in this box. So I'll just have to pigtail at the grounds, neutrals, and hots. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap this up, and maybe I'll try to explain the lights another day there for you. But hopefully, this gave you a little bit of basic knowledge how you can. One way to wire plugs. This is just a home run into the plugs, or you can do like a home run into the lights, and then power down to the plugs off of that. That's a different way you can do it. So, anyways, maybe I'll make a different video about that. But let me know if that's something you're interested in, how circuits work, how to wire circuits, and stuff like that. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Happy Wednesday, 3-day week. 1 down, 2 to go. See you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Please subscribe, like if you enjoyed it. Peace.